good, guys? This video, I'm going to go over how I mixed Matrix, or should I say how I'm mixing Matrix, because I'm not done mixing it yet. Mind you, there's literally a garbage truck. As soon as I press record, there's a garbage truck coming up my hill. Anyways, like I was saying, shut the fuck up and come get your garbage. Whole bunch of fucking going on. Maybe you don't hear it. Well, sorry guys, this is a sound editing video, and you got a whole bunch of fucking unwanted sound, don't we? This video is going to be made assuming you already have the proper cuts to your vocals, the proper breaths taken out and placements of your vocals, this and that. I didn't go over any of that. This is strictly just the plugins I used. Some of the plugins I use, and all the plugins that I used on this particular vocal for this particular track. They will vary, they will change in different songs and different videos, but this is what I have for this at the moment. I hope this is like, I hope this can educate some, inspire some, help some out, maybe give you an idea on how I do my shit. And I really appreciate you watching. I really need the watch time, since I make 4-minute song videos on my YouTube and I expect to be monetized or anything like that. That's not going to happen, sir. So what did I do? I went down on a deep dive of YouTube videos and figured out how to fuck and what can I do for people where I can make a video longer than 10 minutes where people could possibly watch through. And this is how I'm going to do it. So if you're into mixing music, or if you're into or just interested in how I mix my music, this is going to be a small tutorial, probably the first of many, and please enjoy. And by the way, you know what to do. It's YouTube, bro. So like down here, all you got to do, bro, is just like it, dog. Like it, sub it, give it a bell, you know what I mean? Just go ahead and that little sub button, you know what I mean? I'm trying to give you all the content in the world that I could possibly give to you. I'm trying to bring my personality and my life to you guys. If you're interested, I'm going to try doing different things. I'm going to try to do vlogs. I'm going to try to do behind the scenes on how I make these music songs and stuff like this. And please tell your friends and tell your producer friends and your music friends. And if you got beats, send them through. And if you got ideas for songs, send them through. And with all that being said, please subscribe to my channel. Please give it a like. Please show some love and request things while I'm still a little guy and I can read your message. Because pretty soon I might be too famous and I won't get your DM. So right now, DM the shit out of me. Tell me what you want to see from me. Tell me if you want me to make a song about something. Whatever. I'm here for it. Thank you. We out. Mwah. Oh, by the way, let's get into this video. Hey, we're on. Okay. Alright, let's get comfortable here. It's UHOH860. I'm tripping right now hearing shit. Our recording, right? Yes. Yes. We're going to try and record this screen record process along with the record on the camera, along with the recording of my audio going into FL Studio, which is great. This is great. So far. Blah, 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 blah. All right, we're all good. We're screen recording. We're me recording. And this is great. All right, so I believe I can speak. What I got all set up here is just some cuts. Now, but I'm just going to go over this first part of this track. So we're going to hit play. Yeah. All right. We got that. We seen that. We seen how it sounded great. We're going to hit this right here and take all the wokey-wokies out of here. Okay? We're going to take everything. I say everything out of here. We're going to play.
Bubble box from the AC. Lately I've been going hard in the matrix.
Not too shabba-lastic.
It's too late for me to make it, but if that's so, that ain't gonna stop me from creating.
It almost still sounds like there's auto-tune in that shit, but there's not. So what I did here is first I just put the parametric EQ. I didn't do too much craziness. By the way, this ain't even over yet. I'm not done making this song yet. So, but real quick, I just, you know, these are gonna start off looking like, they're gonna start off looking like this, right? Let me find it, the Parametric EQ2. Basically, I rip this down here, I take the low end down, and that's all that muddiness and everything else that you hear in the vocals. And this mid to low end, I'll grab down just a little bit as well. This is just a basic look, okay? And then I up the high end a tad, right? And that's basically what it is over here is what I did for the track. Sorry to confuse. Basically what I did there. We're gonna turn that on.
Bubba box from the AC. Lately I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to make it, but that's so that
you can already hear the cleanliness of the vocal. Then I add a CLA 2A. Mind you, this little mixing tutorial that I'm doing for y'all is basically how I do it. This isn't probably the industry standard on how to do this. For one, the industry standard probably isn't FL Studio, but it is today, sir. Okay, I put a CLA 2A compressor on it, and what I did is I took the peak reduction all the way up. I don't want no peaks whatsoever, and I gave myself about 50 in the gain, and I made sure it's on compress, and that's what this did here.
Box from the AC. Lately I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to make it, but that's so that ain't gonna stop me from creating. I sit
you can hear that.
in a room full of weed smoke.
You can hear that. All right. So this next plugin I put in is the Manny Triple D Mono. I feel like I'm rushing this, and that kind of sucks. This is your frequency ranges here. Okay. Don't worry about the deboxing. I'd left that on a low end, and I deboxed the low end. I deharshed mid to high range, because that's where my vocal really is, and I de-essed mid to high range as well.
I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to
as you can see right here, this part is really working, the deharshness. And the reason why is so it's not so harsh in the ears. I try to deharsh, you know. So we're gonna add all these. These are like dynamic changes and things like this. We're doing this early in the mix. That way when we do the little fucking nice little effects and stuff afterwards, you can hear the best parts of those. I also added a limiter, all right? And with the limiter, you know, basic threshold up here. Let me show you how I did this. So we'll do it like on here. When you're adding a limiter, this is how I do it. So this is the stock Fruity limiter I use. I take the threshold like so. I bring this up to here to this line, and then I take the gain. And I usually give myself about that. And whatever this stuff means, it means. And this is your sailing. We're basically just gonna leave it like that. That's basically what I did, okay? And that's basically what I did here. And we're gonna... Now it's quiet, right? So what do we do with the quietness? We're gonna add a reverb. What a reverb looks like for me is a regular Fruity reverb. I'll turn the dry up just a little bit, the wet up just a little bit, the size up till it looks like that, almost all the way. And then I'll go over to where the reverb part is in my chain and turn that down, like way down. That way it's not so much of a reverb. You know what I mean? So we'll do that to my mix. Right? Really, Milo, dude? So, boom, we'll turn that reverb on. And as you can see, I have it turned down halfway. CLA vocals, Chris Lord Algae vocals. Okay, right. The CLA vocals, I'll show you how I did this over here. So with these CLAs, okay, basically I turn the pitch all the way down. I turn the delay a little past 0 and put a quarter delay on it. Makes it sound a little better. I turn this reverb all the way down since we don't need it because we already have a reverb. Just compress, I leave it on push and I just added a little bit. And as far as the treble and bass, I kind of just a little bit of treble, cut the bass, basically like your low end and high end, same type of deal. Right. So, and that's what I did for this mix here. As you can see, basically what it is. Turn it on, bang. So far this is what we sounded like.
Bubble box from the A6. Lately I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to make it, but if that's so, that ain't gonna stop me from creating.
I love that little reverb that it's got. All right. I add a soft clipper. This is basically self-explanatory. Add the soft clipper, don't do nothing here, and just bring it down. And truthfully, I don't really know what this is actually doing, but I think it's helping a lot. So, clipping, just making sure shit's not clipping, make sure it's easy on the vocals for everybody is basically my goal. All right, next is the main thing. And what it's doing here is we're gonna turn our note transition way down and our speed way down, okay? And I'll put this real quick. This is what I do, just because I'm a weirdo. There's no notes here. I'm a weirdo, so I'm gonna do this. There's no notes here. I'll put it on user scale, which is all the notes, and then I'll go to major or wherever I'm at, minor. And it's a C major, really low in the transition, and that's it. And with that, I'll show you what that does. And that is it. So here it is without it. And here's with it. From the A6, lately I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to make it, but if that's so late for me to make it, but if that's so, that ain't gonna stop me from creating. Shit's fire. Also, I added an NS1. This is, people use this on like audio stuff because like camera stuff, and it just takes a little out. And then the last thing I'll do to my vocals is something called a center, right? What this is gonna do is bring your vocal out front a lot better, okay? And you know, you got your center here. We're gonna, we'll go up a little here, and then your sides. I didn't do too much to this because, like I said, I'm still working on this track per se, but I'm basically giving you a rundown of basically what I use on all of my tracks. Here, so that's it. Boom, diddy, boom, boom, boom. And that's basically the mix that I'm gonna do on all my channels. I'll do different ones per se for like ad-libs and the hook and stuff like this. And this is the track. Keto bubble box from the A6. Lately I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to make it, but if that's so, that ain't gonna stop me from creating. I sit alone in a room full of weed smoke. Maintaining this life makes me broke. So give a light to the cracker from the East Coast. Right, he made the beat and now we beast smoke. Stacks to the cash in the dresser from always supplying the pressure. Light as a feather, been moving with clever. Don't ever confuse it. I do the shit better. Been rapping forever, but never been high on this level. The mic lead a room in a stretcher. Cats on the phone, got good people to sub to my page, and I lay you to death. It's a blessing. On to the next one. Little tiger thick for the weekend. Fuck with my brothers, you gon' catch this fucking bee sting. Used to kick it in the cell on the east wing. These next moves was taught to me by street kings. Poking y'all bros since Pokemon cards. Somebody talking shit, I kick 'em 45 yards. 3 points, hold it, let me focus my call. Load this ADF, I'm about to blow your mind, dog. Somebody give me 5 stars, cause that rhyme was mad hard. Run it back, listen to it one more time, my God. I'm not a battle rapper, because I bite your face off. But whatever that I write about will always take off. Keto bubble box from the AC. Lately I've been going hard in the matrix. Sometimes I think that it's too late for me to make it, but if that's so, that ain't gonna stop me from creating. I sit alone in a room full of weed smoke. Maintaining this life makes me broke. So give a light to the cracker from the East Coast. Right, and he made a beat and now we be smoke.
Reach deep, then pull out the pain. Leave that on the beat, then wash it away. No longer need that bullshit on my brain. On the beats I was trained to never sound weak and explain everything that I mean and I say. Believe me, one day when I'm free of these shackles and chains, that's when you'll see me on stage. I would never claim that I got it figured out, but it's soul in my voice. You would think of in the south, fries falling in my mouth when I'm trying to get them out. Spit them out, kid, it's almost over for you now. I'm trying to break up on this house up on the hill. God's coming, sirens and the squeals. Nothing here to steal, this dream's real. Lit up when I broke in, I'm just trying to sit across from Joe Rogan. Talk about aliens and start smoking. I love that dude to death, that's my president. Keto Bubba Box from the Aces. Lately I've been going hard in the Matrix. Sometimes I feel like it's too late for me to make it, but that's so that ain't gonna stop me from creating. I sit alone in a room full of weed smoke. Maintaining this life makes me broke. So give a light to the cracker from the East Coast. Ryan, he made the beat and now we beast mode. That's it. And that's how we, that's basically a little bit of a behind the scenes of how I mixed Matrix, how I'm mixing Matrix, because I'm not done yet. Right? So, thank you everybody. Keep tuning in. Let me know if you want to see more of these tutorial videos. Let me know if you want me to show you how to use FL Studio. Let me know if you want me to show you how I get my beats and everything I do. So, and I thank you so much. We're at 17:30, and I think we're good, baby. We out. Mwah.